I know on Facebook I've been putting a lot of recommendations about changing your filter. I figured I'd show you how to do it. Usually when I come to my furnace, if it's running or not, I'll turn the service switch, which is this switch on the side, off, just so I know the blower's not running. And then once it completely shuts off, I'll pull the existing filter out. I will check it. Like mine right now is definitely ready for a change. As you can see, all the dirt with the new filters I have. Make sure that I take the plastic off. Check for airflow. The airflow should be pointing towards the furnace. I'll write today's date on it. It's 1/26/2019. And then I'll slide it back in. This way my furnace is ready for the cold weather. And then once I'm 100% done, I'll turn the switch back in the on position. Everything will come back on. Any questions, please call American Weathermakers at 847-509-7777. Thank you.